welcome to your virtual classroom. My name is Gayatri Thampi, and I, in association with Management Paradise, bring to you Advertising 101. This is a series of concept videos that will help you crack your exams, prepare for your interviews, and also become a world-class professional that you want to be tomorrow. So let's take a look at the first and foremost important concept in advertising, which is a brand. So our first topic for today is, what is a brand? So the term brand is not new to any of us. On a daily basis, we interact with 1,000 brands. For example, you wake up in the morning and what is the first thing you do? You look at your Samsung phone. And then when it's time to get ready, you pick up your Colgate toothpaste, you put it on your Pepsodent toothbrush, you use a Pond's face wash, a Lux soap. When you get ready, you put on your Levi's jeans, you pick up your HP laptop, you get into an Uber and you get on with your day. You get the drill, right? On a daily basis, there are thousands of brands that are trying to grab our attention. So let's understand from where the term brand originated. In prehistoric times, mankind has been putting burn marks on their livestock to identify them. Now that is nothing but branding, right? That is the origin of the term. Of course, today it has a whole new meaning to our lives. Brands today are so important that some of them have come to become synonymous to the category. For example, you think of Bisleri and you just mean mineral water. You think of Dettol and you're talking about the entire antiseptic industry. Cadbury is synonymous to chocolates, and Xerox is synonymous to photocopy. Who even uses the term photocopy anymore? That's how important these brands have come to be in our lives today. The explanation of the term brand is certainly incomplete without Philip Kotler's definition. So let's take a look at it. A brand is nothing but a term, a sign, symbol, or in some cases a combination of all of these that are used to identify a manufacturer's products or services and differentiate them from that of another's. It is, however, also interesting to come up with your own definitions of what a brand is. I was once asked in an interview to define brand, and Kotler's definition is certainly not what came to mind. So all I said was, a brand is an identity to a commodity. Think about it. In some cases, the products or services could be exactly the same, and the only differentiating factor is just the brand. Let me give you an example to understand that. America is one of the world's largest coffee consumers. However, research shows that in a blind test, consumers in America can almost never tell the difference between a McDonald's coffee, a Dunkin' Donuts coffee, or even a Starbucks coffee for that matter. Starbucks coffee is considered to be a class apart, isn't it? Why is it that then a Starbucks coffee can cost twice as much as a McDonald's coffee? And people like you and me are more than willing to pay for it. All we're paying for is the brand Starbucks. I hope that helps you understand the importance of what a brand can do. A brand is also a promise from a manufacturer to us, the consumers. It's a promise of trust, of quality, of value, and a lot more. It's that promise that usually drives our decision when we are choosing amongst 1,000 products and services available in the market. When explaining what a brand is, I have been using the term product or service. However, do remember that it is not only a product or a service that can be branded. You yourself are a brand. I am a brand. Say, pick a celebrity. Amitabh Bachchan is a brand in himself. Brands can also be places. For example, Incredible India, Malaysia, Truly Asia. Countries have started branding themselves now as well. So a brand can be absolutely anything. With that said, we come to an end of this short concept video of what a brand is. I really hope this video was beneficial to you. If you do have any specific concept you would like for us to cover, we'd be happy to put them up for you. Just comment right below this video and let us know what you think, and we'll be back with a lot more. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.